Hi, Kaleen, Jolene here, working on your type art uh, project, grading it. And I want to give you a couple of tips on when you modify type, how to make it even more perfect. So I've got your word babe here, and I see that you've created a couple of different shapes to add to the E. So notice that it's kind of not smooth right along here. So let me show you how to do that. So I'm going to select all of these pieces, and then I've got my Pathfinder palette open, and the way to get to that is Window and Pathfinder. Let me select them again. And then you go to this very first one, which is Unite. And now it's all one piece. Now, if I switch to my direct select tool, I can come back over and use the direct select tool to smooth this area out. So perhaps we just need to move this anchor down a little bit, maybe even delete this anchor. So I'm going to switch over to minus, and actually I'm going to click minus on my, I just clicked minus on my keyboard, and now I'm going to click plus, and I just added one. Go back to my white arrow and just pull this down a little bit. So see how that smoothed that out? So I'm going to do the same thing here. I'm going to click minus on my keyboard to subtract that one, and let me just see how that looks. Yeah, we need to maybe click here and whoops, pull this down a little bit. Sometimes just subtracting an anchor works better than trying to modify it, because sometimes it's just in the wrong place. So let's go back to the white arrow. And by the way, the shortcut I'm using to get to this white arrow is tapping the A on my keyboard. Okay, so let's see if we pull, oops, we want to get right on the anchor. Pull that down a little bit. I'm going to subtract this one too. It's just fighting us too much. Now I'm clicking the plus sign. I'm going to add one about right there and go back to my direct select tool and then pull that down. And maybe adjust this a little bit. See how this only has one handle here? I'm going to click on that and then go up here to convert selected anchors, and now we have two. And that will make for a smoother transition. Okay, let's see what we have now. See that? So it's a lot better. And you could probably even go in and smooth this out a little bit in the same way. Okay, that's it.